The Pride Face project is a collaboration with an organisation called Sampad, and it's not the first time we've worked together. The project has just been really beneficial for our members because it's an opportunity to get out of the house, often to get out of their own heads, to do something physical and mental and creative and fun, and just really explore who they are and try and embrace the pride message of the LGBT plus rainbow community.
What does it mean to be proud? What does pride mean to you? So it is the ability to be ourselves. So that's all very well when there is Pride Day and we're all in our beautiful costume and feeling lots of energy. That's great. But what about the days when we can't get out of bed? What about the days when we have not so much high energy, low energy?
Yeah, I like the project because we are doing different activities. It's like knowing who you are, how is your feeling, and choosing what you want to feel. So, but our feeling is not what we are. We are different, and our feelings are different. And I like very much. And there are also different activities that moving, dancing, different things in Pride Project. My favorite one is choosing how I feel. First is recognition, and after I can choose. So I like that.
My name is Darren Abrahams. I am a singer and a trainer and a workshop leader and a trauma therapist. And I'm here today running a workshop. So we are exploring emotions and behaviours today. We're looking at how sometimes if we've been through challenging life experiences, our emotions and therefore our behaviours can get stuck. And it can feel like we don't have choice about how we feel or how we behave. So this workshop is all about how we can come into contact with the feelings and behaviours that we have most often, and notice that when we change the way our bodies work or when we think about it, we can change those behaviours and feelings. So we're playing fun games, we've been doing some movement work, we've been exploring our bodies through sound and noticing that different parts of our body make different sounds and they feel different, they have different emotions connected to them, so we can make different choices. We've been talking about how the nervous system works, and we have also been playing some games, some name games as well, to also notice what happens when we feel a bit stressed and notice how our body changes and how our emotions change around that. So that's what we've done so far. And this afternoon we're going to take it we're going to learn a little bit more about the kind of typical behaviours that we can often feel if we feel unsafe, and then turn them into movement, turn them into some artwork, see how much time we get. So lots of creativity around emotion.
Of course, we came from different countries, and different religion, different backgrounds, and then we're here. As long as you are a LGBT asylum seekers, it's more important to join the Pride Face. Yeah, and then moreover, you can learn so many things here. Like for me, I've learned so many things. I've made some art in my primary school days, and then which go with me back. I remember, I reflect back my mind during those days. I've made some art and then I learned so many, make fun, play games. You understand? That's it. I've learned so many, and still I'm learning.
And we started looking at little journaling techniques. What can I do for the mind, the body, the soul? Last week's workshop, we looked at lovely Kiera Saunders came in, and with them I looked at, if you had a mythical beast that was your first ally, what would they look like? Where would you call them for help?
If you're an LGBT plus asylum seeker or refugee and would like to join the Journey group, or if you would love to come and join our very friendly team of volunteers supporting people, then there's information on our website, which is journeylgbtasylumgroup.co.uk.